हनुमताय नमः। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने. Dasya Bhakti is one of the Nava Bhaktis where love and devotion to God is through servitude. Dasya Bhava is the attitude of servitude that allows the devotee to dedicate her life to divine services. God is a master as he himself is a servant. Hanuman is a towering example of divine seva to Lord Rama. He spent his whole life serving them. We unfold the Sundarkandam part where Hanuman transmits Rama's ring to Sita and gets back Sita's hair ornament as a mark of acknowledgement. Hanuman uprises an entire mountain, Sumeru, for Lakshmana to show his allegiance to Rama and Lakshmana. The final act we are depicting is Pattabhishekam. Please do join us and support the kids. Tavada Soham set to Ragamalika Talamadi.
सरसिज नेत्र परम पवित्र सुरपति मित्र दाशरथे सरसिज नेत्र परम पवित्र सुरपति मित्र दाशरथे तव दासोगम तव दासोगम तव दासोगम दाशरथे
festival. First time, a full face performance for the very first time. So, I know they are a bit nervous, but you are making it again. Thank you, the British School. The next